So what is the y-intercept, Silence? Yes. Y equals mx plus b is the slope, and you said the y-intercept is -4. Where do we put that, Silence? And so where is that in the equation? It's the b, that's right. So -4 here. And then we need to find the slope. So we'll use the y-intercept, and then we'll find another point. Say we use this point. And our slope is going to be up how much? And left how much? So 4 over -6. Do we leave it like that? We simplify it. That's right, which is -2/3. So this is -2/3 x minus 4. So that's if we have a graph. So today, I'm not going to do number 2. I'm going to skip on to the first number 5. Skip on to number 5. Okay, so say we're given a point and the slope. So our equation, this says we want to find the slope-intercept form through the given point and slope. So our slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And so we have our slope. So we're going to put that in place of the m. So this is 5x plus b. So now we've got another point. So how would we find our y-intercept if we want to use that other point? You know what to do, Emma? That's right. So this is x and this is y, and we're going to substitute those in for x and y. So y is 5 and x is 1. Oh, sorry. 3 and x is 1, and then our plus b. So what next? You're going to simplify, right? So we get 3 equals 5 plus b, and then what next? Minus 5. And so we get b is equal to -2. Are we done? We're not done. We still have to write our equation. Really common to stop there. So we get y equals, we'll use this part of the equation, 5x, and then -2 for our slope. We'll do one more, and then I'll let you do a u-try. So y equals mx plus b. What's our first step? Yeah, we're going to put the slope in there for the m. So it's y equals -x plus b. And then what next? Did you say x and y? Yes. So this is x and y. So we're going to substitute a -5 for our y. Oops. And then for our x, we're going to substitute a 2. And then what next? We want to find b. Nick, do you know what to do next?
Plus 2.
Good. Add 2. And we get b is equal to what?
-3.
That's correct. So now our equation is y equals -x minus 3. Go ahead and do number 7 as a U try. Number 7, did you do it already? Yeah, we're waiting to get a pass. So just go without the pass. Just put your do the omega up here.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah.
Why did it start with a negative?
Because we put a -1 in place of the m, so that's like a -1x.
Yeah. Where's the 2?
That makes sense? Got it already? I think you actually switched, yeah. But you had the right idea. Nice. Yep, good. Get that already? Still working on it? What's 3 times 4 again?
Oh.
You have the right idea. You have the right idea. Yeah. What's 0 minus 12? I like how you guys work together, though. Nice job, Nick. Okay, so for that U try, you should get y equals 3x minus 12. Questions on that before we go on to the next one? Okay, number 8. So number 8, we're going to do the same thing. And our slope is a half. So in place of our x, we put -2, and in place of our y, we put 3. Okay, hang on just a little bit longer. So how do we find half of -2? Okay, or you can just multiply straight across. 1 times -2 and 2 times 1. So that gives you a -2 over 2. Or -1. So 3 equals -1 plus b. So we add 1. And b is 4. And so our equation, y is equal to half x plus 4. Okay, last one. I'm changing that x value to a 2. Pay attention to this one. So my equation, y equals 5/3 x plus b. And so in place of my x, I put a 2. And in place of my y, I put a 4. Pay attention. You guys are going to have some trouble on this. Thank you. It doesn't say when. Okay, that's all right. I'm just going to wait till I'm done. So the 4 equals 5 over 3 times 2. So what do we do on this one? Doesn't divide out, does it? So when we multiply fractions, we're just multiplying straight across. So the 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. So this is 4 equals 10/3 plus b. What would we do next? It's not going to help us if we multiply by 3. We got to get, just like we did before, here we added 1 to both sides to get b by itself. We got to get b by itself. So what do we do to get b by itself? Yeah, minus 10 over 3. So now at this point, what we need to do is we need to get a common denominator. So this is a 4, which is the same thing as 4 over 1, right? So 4 over 1 minus 10 over 3. What's your common denominator there? 3. So we're going to multiply this times 3, and then the top, the numerator and denominator, both by 3. So we get 12 over 3 minus 10 over 3, which is 2/3. So that's your b. And your equation is y equals 5/3 x plus 2/3. Can I get somebody to pass out the worksheet, please? And then I'm going to come around and check that off. Gianna, would you pass these out for me, please? Thank you. Please have your homework out. I'll come around and check that off. Ms. Ricardo, Thank you for having your homework out. Great. Okay, so maybe about a 3. Okay. So if you finish it tonight, you can take a picture and then send it to me by email. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Make sure you turn in the one that was due Friday also. Okay, in the basket up there. If you guys think about it, it's not your responsibility, but could you remind him to turn in his homework? Hi.
Sherry, is she?
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we all won.
Mrs. Wollenweber was asking if you would go over to her room now. Okay. Just bring your things. Yeah. And then you have your homework checked out before you go. Great. Great. I can see the other side. Great. 4. Ashley, great. 4. And Raphael, nice. Great. 4. Got your homework out. Thank you. Great. Great. 4. Sean, thank you. Anybody who did not get the worksheet? Great, Nick. Nice. 4.
Nick.
You're having your homework out. Nice. 4. Nate. Sweetie. Great. Great. 4. Nice lines. Okay, so about half. 2. Okay. Okay. So make sure you turn in the one that was due on Friday too. Easy to forget.
I don't like making friends.
Well, maybe that is why you're a little bit lonely.
Exactly. I'd rather.
I printed it out and I did it as.
Oh my gosh, you're amazing. That's awesome. Nice. So make sure you turn in the one that was due
Yeah,
Friday. Oh, perfect. You're all over it. Good, good. Nice on A4. And then you told me.
Is someone in the bathroom right now?
Yes.
When
Yeah.
I get back, can I sign?
Yes, you can. Sure. So there's no pass. So pay attention. It's Ira. Yeah. Great. Great for it. Nice. Great for. So let me ask you a question. How did you know how to graph that one? So see, can I see your paper for a second? Good job, that's a 4. So see how on hers, she changed it to slope intercept form. That's how she graphed it. So when you have it like that, that's what you want to do is you want to see what we did on that on the front. That's what you're going to do on one like that because it's so this one's in slope intercept form already. We can graph it just from there. This one we need that. Okay. So I'm going to give you a 3 on that. I want you to go back and do that on those, and then I'll give you a 4. Okay. Sure. Or bring it tomorrow or whatever. Yeah. Great for Jimena.
I'll send it to you email. I left it at home.
Great. Great. Zane, 4. Nice. Nice, Hayden. And if you guys think about it, if you could remind Ira to show me. Thank you. Thank you for having yours out. Great. Great for Jack.
This was a 5. That was 5 minus 10 negative. Huh? This was like a 5, right? 5.
Yeah.
So you
No, it's
basically.
right here. On my
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, this is a B. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. You got it.
So maybe you do like the odds on that. It's going to take you some time. Good, good. Any questions here? Unless you want to keep it.
No.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Can I see your homework?
The yellow one.
Yes. Is your hair naturally curly?
That's from 2 days of braids.
Oh, it's cute.
But it's wavy curly on top of wavy and underneath it's curly.
That's cute.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
What color do you make the lines? But
I think it's
like,
red.
I
I think it's like
I said the same
strawberry
thing.
blonde.
I said the same thing. Strawberry blonde.
Yeah.
No red. No red.
It's a beautiful color.
I was gonna
Beautiful
wait
color
for
hair.
to get a ruler to make the lines. I never had time.
Okay.
I put dots.
Okay.
And you.
Okay. You can always use like the side of something that's straight,
Yeah.
like even your binder or
Yeah,
something
it's
like
fine.
that. Okay. Okay.
I would not have it. Not every